To sign up on Demiks Teacher app, open teacher.demiks.com and navigate to the sign up page. Once you are on the sign up page, enter your email address and a secure password or use the Google login service. If you are invited by a school to join the platform, make sure you use the same email address they have on file. After signing up, you land on your dashboard where you'll see your schedule for the day as well as past classes you've not recorded the attendance for. On the left-hand bar, you can see a couple of options that allow you to see the list of all your classes, your calendar, manage your availability, staff room, and more. Let's navigate to one of the classes using the links on the dashboard. On the left pane, you'll see an overview of the class and some details about the students. There are a couple of tabs in the right side pane for more details about the class. The first tab is the list of students and the list of class dates. For each date, you can click on this button to record the attendance for all students in the class. First, let's write some description about the overall class experience and what you worked on. Then for each student, you can set the present status and maybe write some notes. The private note is only visible to you and the school administration team. The student note is visible to everyone. You can also print a hard copy of the attendance sheet if you need it to collect signatures, for example. Define what details you want to see on the sheet and print it. Based on the class settings, you might see additional options for deleting, canceling, or rescheduling a class session. In the Sessions tab, you can see all your sessions and note you wrote for each session in one view. There are some of the same functionalities here too, just for ease of access. Next 3 tabs are for sharing educational content with students. You can teach your students a new concept using the Course Material option. It could be in text, downloadable file, image, audio, or video formats. Add a new course material by entering a title and defining when you want this course material to be available to your students. Now we can add a couple of pages of content to this course material. For the first page, I'm going to add some text and images. I'll also include a link to a video on YouTube. It's worth taking the time to enter proper details about each item because that makes it easier to reuse them in the future. You can create more pages or even more course material. Feel free to use your creativity to provide your students with the best content they need to learn a language and reuse them over and over in your classes. The Quiz tab can be used in 2 ways. You can add a quiz just as a reminder for a quiz you are planning to have in the class, in person. Or, you can also add multi-choice questions to your quiz and allow students to take the quiz online. Add some details about your quiz and start adding questions. Once you are done, go back to your class and assign the quiz to your class. This quiz can be reassigned to other classes in the future. Also, feel free to do a quick search and see what other teachers have created and shared. The Homework tab is for assigning homework to your students. Let's add a homework assignment that appears to students on the 3rd session and has a deadline for 2 sessions later. You can use the Announcement tab to notify students about any new course material, quizzes, or homework. Enter a subject, a message, and a note for yourself if you need to. Then click on Send. The announcement will be sent to every student in that class. The Final Evaluation tab is for the end of the class when you want to do an assessment of the students. You will see different criterias and grade format based on your administration's configuration in the settings. Open the evaluation form and enter the results for each student. After going through the class details, it's time to take a look at the availability page. You can define your working hours in this section. This makes booking classes easier and more clear, so make sure you keep your hours up to date. Let's add a new record here. You can also see your hours on the calendar alongside your classes. To get an idea about the number of hours you've been teaching, you can go to the Teacher Hours report. Select your period of time and update the report. The system gives you a month-by-month report of all courses you've been teaching. You can even print an invoice and send it over to the school you are working with if necessary. Feel free to contact us using these links at the top right corner if you have questions, feedback, or suggestions for new features.